We swapped our twin brothers at birth. When I was 11, my mom gave birth to identical twin boys. My sister and I, also identical twins, thought it would be funny to swap them. They had wristbands to identify them, but we managed to slip them off and switch them. We then placed them in each other's cribs, fully expecting our parents to notice immediately. After all, they could always tell us apart, even when we tried to trick them by swapping clothes. But to our surprise, they didn't notice. Not that day, not the next. Weeks passed, and no one realized. At first, we thought we pulled off the funniest prank ever. But as time went on, we started feeling guilty. What if they found out? What if we got in trouble? Eventually, we decided to switch them back. By then, though, Mom had started noticing their little differences, their faces, personalities, and quirks. When we swapped their baby grows, which had their names on them, Mom immediately asked why we'd switched their clothes, saying, "This doesn't feel right." Panicked, we lied and said we were just playing around. We couldn't admit we were actually trying to undo a prank we'd been hiding for weeks. To this day, no one else in our family knows. The eldest is actually the youngest, and only my sister, one close friend, and I know the truth. Our brothers are turning 16 soon, and we want to tell them one day because they deserve to know. But we're scared of how they'll react, and honestly, neither of us has the guts to say it yet. Maybe someday, when we're braver. For now, it's still our